Hi everybody, welcome to Sticks. Thank you so much for your support, it really means the world to us. We hope this is a super fun and educational experience for you, and if you just got your balsa wood bridge kit in the mail, you're in the right place. In this first video, we're going to introduce you to the background of this project, tell you how it relates to the real world, and even give you guys a little bit of history. So let's get started. So believe it or not, America has pretty depleted infrastructure. Our bridges, roads, and tunnels are in pretty bad shape. And politicians in Washington are in the middle of crafting a bill that's north of $1 trillion in order to fix some of this stuff. The thing is by the time that money is ready, it's going to be you, the future engineers and architects of America, who are going to be the ones designing and fixing those bridges, roads, and tunnels. So that's why we want to introduce you to some of these concepts now. And since you're going to be building a bridge of your own for this project, we figured you might want to learn a little bit more about the background of them. So bridges have been around for forever, right? But they used to just be something like a log over a creek or made out of stone. It wasn't until a few hundred years ago when they started really developing them and engineering them, and they called it the Truss style bridge. So the Truss style bridge was actually invented in Europe, but in the 1700s, when the Revolutionary War was going on, all of America's bridges got destroyed, and we had a big problem on our hands. We quickly became a leader in developing and engineering these trusses to fix that problem, and they became so popular because of how lightweight, efficient, and how strong they were. When truss bridges first started popping up, they were made out of wood, and then they started making them out of iron, and finally, what we still use today is a material called steel. Steel is an incredibly plentiful and really strong resource. Another cool thing about these truss bridges is there's an infinite amount of ways to design them. So whether you decide to find some inspiration from one of the famous designs we're going to show you here in a little bit, or completely come up with your own truss design, we know it's going to be awesome, and we're always here to help you along the way if you need anything. In these next few videos, you're going to learn about the STEM principles at stake in bridges. We're going to teach you about some tips and examples for how to make one for your own. We're going to teach you how to test it. And finally, you'll get the chance to hear from a professional who works in the industry. Thanks again for checking us out, and we can't wait to watch this project unfold for you.